I finally did the Bondbar hair system and we're gonna see if this actually works. So Bondbar is a hair bonding system that you can get at Sally Beauty. It is similar to Olaplex in its claims of bonding your hair, strengthening, helping with fallout and breakage. The cost difference is huge, so that's one of the good reasons to try this, but I've never tried it before. This is my first time today. I just finished doing the whole treatment and washing out my hair, and I'm also going to put in the styling cream next and dry my hair. I first started with the bonding primer. This is number 0, and it's the spray that goes on to prime your hair before doing the treatment. This is SLS, SLES free, paraben free, and phthalate free. It is not tested on animals. It's for all hair types and textures, and it's supposed to repair, protect, and hydrate. There's nothing specific in the ingredients that look like there's anything natural in it, but I figured why not give it a go because I want to follow the system as is. So I first combed through my hair just to get everything, like all the knots out, and I separated 2 sides and sprayed this from the roots to the tip of my hair. Then I combed my hair through to make sure it's completely saturated with the product. And the instructions say to leave this on for 10 minutes, so I put on my timer for 10 minutes. Next, I applied the number 3 Bonding Pre-Shampoo. This product is a pre-shampoo hair treatment that reduces breakage and strengthens the hair to leave hair looking and feeling healthier. This is like the main product of the whole system to actually do the hair bonding itself. It says it instantly helps to repair and smooth hair. I did notice a difference as I was applying this. I don't know if I was supposed to apply this exactly right after I did the spray, but I did do 10 minutes apart for each. So I made sure I got this all over my hair from the roots to the ends and combed it through. The ingredients for this product have a couple natural ingredients like aloe and also jojoba oil, which I love, but I don't really like that there's propylene glycol in it, and that's the 3rd ingredient because that ingredient really irritates my skin if I get it on my skin, so I was really careful not to get it on my face or tried to not get it on my neck. After waiting 10 minutes, it's now time to use the shampoo, and I use this to get all of the product out of my hair. The shampoo is also SLS and SLES free and paraben free and phthalate free, and it's meant to help prevent Flyways and Frizz, so it's definitely a supporting product. It has its own signature scent throughout the whole system, and this is the first product of the 3 that has like a stronger scent to it. And it has soybean oil in it and a couple of vegetable oils that are a little bit like naturally protectant. It has hydrogenized vegetable protein, which is really actually good for strengthening your hair. Next, I have the number 5 Bonding Conditioner. This is a really thick conditioner. It was very smooth. I loved how it felt on my hair. I use conditioner religiously, and anytime I notice if a conditioner works really well, I can notice it right away in the shower. It also has that nice light scent, and this is again also SLS free, SLES free, paraben free, and phthalate free. One really great thing about this conditioner, it has avocado oil and grapeseed oil, 2 ingredients that I love for any hair care, especially the avocado oil. So there's definitely like a nice smoothness and just helps your hair really have a strengthening to it with just those oils alone. And this is meant to prevent and reduce split ends after 1 use. So I leave this on my hair for 3 minutes. After I rinsed out the hair conditioner, it just felt really nice on my hair. I really like the conditioner a lot just alone from the whole system. So I did a day before hair drying just to show you what my hair looks like when I don't use this system, because this is my very first time using it, what my hair normally looks like. And I also dried my hair without any product in it, so it was just without any protectant. And I wanted to show how much breakage is from hair drying and combing through, so I did that a couple days ago. Today I'm going to do something I never ever do and use my hair dryer and also dry my hair over this whiteboard. And I'm going to do that because I want to see how much fallout there's going to be with my hair, and I'm going to compare it after I do the bonding system. Same process, see how much fallout, see if there's any difference as far as breakage. If my hair is falling out from the root, there's nothing you can do about that with bonding. But from breakage, at least I can see with the hairdryer if there's really any difference in the 2 pre and post. Here's everything that I pulled together on this sheet, and it looks pretty average for how much breakage I have, even when I do the UV and the heat sprays. So I definitely have a lot of breakage, and some of these are really long hairs, and that makes me so sad. hair is dry now, and here is a good idea of what my hair looks like. No product is in it, just simple shampoo and regular daily conditioner. And I didn't comb my hair, so it's looking like this. When I really look at it closely, I can see there's a bit of breakage right here in the back of my hair. So whatever I'm doing, I'm wondering if it's when I put my hair up in the clips when I go to the gym and it's breaking the hair bond right here. So that's something to be looking out for, and hopefully I can repair that and get that to grow. And now we're going to finalize this with adding this styling cream, and this is meant to prevent 70% of breakage from combing. I do have a problem with breakage when I'm combing or styling my hair, and 90% wet detangling breakage. So it's going to strengthen and repair highly damaged hair after the very first use. I'm going to apply this first, and then I'm going to dry my hair and show how much breakage I have on the whiteboard, just like the other day. Hopefully I can get this to focus, but this is the breakage that in fallout that I have from hair drying just now, and this is significantly less. To be honest with you, I really didn't expect to see that significant of a difference as far as breakage is concerned. There really was much less fallout and breakage than what I'm used to. I mentioned before I use a lot of products for breakage and hair growth. This is the first time I used an official bonding treatment product, like the pre-product, pre-shampoo, and I can feel the strength in my hair from the protectant. It feels very full and weighted. I don't know how well it will work if you have waves or curls, because I can see my waves and curls are basically a little bit flattened, but my hair is fuller and fluffier, so I wouldn't mind following this with an oil. I know they have an oil as well. One thing I will say is combing through is not particularly easy or easier than normal with any of my other products. I don't notice it being really extra easy to comb through. In fact, I feel like because there's a bit more of a texture, I can feel it making it a little difficult to comb through easily. So my hair's not stick straight, it has some wave to it, so anything that claims to make your hair comb through really easy or brush through easily, I'm definitely going to take note of that. And this isn't one of those products, but that's okay. This is more of a feeling of built. Like I built something on top of my hair, and there's more give, there's more just strength to it. So if it is doing something, I'll know a little bit more as I use it. It mentions to use the system 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. My hair is definitely damaged. I mean, you can see at about this point, it starts breaking away really heavily, and I'm not going to cut it anytime soon because this is the best type of hair to test these systems on. I want to see if growth happens and it's stronger and more thicker at the bottom of my hair. That's going to take some time. And after I finish this whole system, I'll let you know how it's going, but I'm going to be continuing with Olaplex and comparing the two, but I need some time to pass so they're not overlapping, and I really want to do a really thorough comparison to see if one is really better than the other, if they're the same. Money costs, this system costs so much less, so if they're similar or if there's a huge difference, I definitely want to know for myself, and I'll let you know as well.